Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss to change the save path location in CapCut. Follow this step. Open CapCut on your PC. Click New Project to start editing. In the media panel, top left, click the Import button. Select your video file from your computer. Drag the imported video onto the timeline to start editing. Click on the Export button after editing your project. In the Export window, find the Save to or Output Path section. Click Browse or the folder icon to select a new destination. Choose your desired folder and confirm. Click Export to save your video to the new location. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching.